Friends, hello! In this video, I will tell you how to easily get rid of whiteflies. This year, they are heavily attacking cabbage in the garden. The plant is suffering a lot because of this. Its leaves become extremely deformed and its development significantly slows down. If you don't fight the whiteflies, however, it can ultimately lead to damage or a reduction in the crop, and you might even lose the entire harvest. And I have already tested this remedy on this cabbage bed, and there are no whiteflies there anymore. Here I have early cabbage. Now I will demonstrate on this cabbage. Here I have broccoli growing. And before preparing the remedy, I want to give you another very effective tip. If you have this kind of weed growing in your garden, we indeed call it spurge, make sure to remove it from your garden. Because whiteflies not only love cabbage but also this weed. The sap of this weed also attracts whiteflies. And if there is a lot of this weed in the garden, it will become a breeding ground for these pests. And to prepare the solution for treating the cabbage, we will need not just insecticides, but insecticide acaricides. You can find them in garden stores and also ask the sellers. For example, it will definitely help against whiteflies. Such remedies as Actelic, Tempo or other products available in your garden stores. But the main thing is to check that in the section listing which pest the remedy works against, it says whitefly. But that's not all. As you can see, all these products state that they should be diluted in 10 liters of water, but such a concentration won't work. You need to treat with a more concentrated solution, which is why I have 5 liters of water. Additionally, for treating the cabbage, we will definitely need any kind of adhesive. Without it, no remedy will help, because moisture doesn't stay on the cabbage. It all runs off. That's its biological characteristic. So, also get an adhesive. And the first thing you need to do is prepare the adhesive, because you can't just pour it into the water. It mixes poorly in a large volume of water. Therefore, we take a small container and the water should be warm. Add all the adhesive and mix it very well. Then you can carefully add the whitefly remedy you purchased thoroughly. It is also in a small container and it mixes and dissolves very well in warm water. Now, when the substances are completely dissolved, we add them to 5 liters of warm water. And then we mix it again. This way, we achieve complete dissolution and the concentration we need. We add the prepared solution to the sprayer and go to spray the cabbage. Although these are systemic preparations and are fully absorbed into the plant's sap, it is better to treat both the top and bottom directly where the whitefly settles, so that the remedy also reaches it. And look, this is how the cabbage treatment should look. Thanks to the adhesive, small droplets do not run off to the ground but stay on the leaves and are absorbed by them. This way, the whitefly remedies start working faster. And within a day, you will see the effect. All the whiteflies will fall to the ground. It's also best to carry out the treatment in the evening so that it doesn't evaporate but gets absorbed. And also at least a few hours before the rain, because if it rains immediately after the treatment, it can wash it away. And an insufficient amount of this insecticide and acaricide will get into the juice. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Be sure to treat your cabbage and get rid of the whiteflies. I wish you big harvests and a great day. See you in the next video.